Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. In previous session, we learned about the classification of machine, whether it is DX system or water-based system, chiller system. So, as I promised that we will see both DX and water-based. So first we will start DX system. Like in DX system there are many categories, like split AC, okay, as we discussed before, floor standing, suspended ceiling, okay. So let's review together that which type of system here we are going to install and which one is best for this space. Okay, after that we will propose to the clients and then we will finalize, right? This is the procedure. So first here, this is ceiling, this is the ground, okay. See, when I move our cursor, it's this blue space is highlighting, right? Like this. Also the grids, this is one, that is quite annoying, right? So for this one, just select all, okay, filter, check none, space, also include grid, no issue, and pin it. Now see, it's not highlighting, so it will be good. Okay, so see, if we are going to use one indoor and one outdoor, each retail space for each shop, then it will look ugly, like you have seen, like this picture. Okay, see, a lot of outdoor units. Okay, so it means the building wall look ugly, it will not look like aesthetic look. So for avoiding this type of ugly look and building our infrastructure look ugly, so avoiding this, we use VRV system. Okay, so now it's clear that why we use VRV, because in VRV we use multiple indoors and outdoors 1 and 2, depend on the loads we install on the roof. Okay, so here it is clear now that we are going to install VRV system, but which type of indoor I have to select. First, see, before that one, let me show you that as a designer, if while you are designing, that no need to put any specific company name or a specific model number. Okay, otherwise if you will work in Gulf, then it will be goes for the corruption case. Okay, because suppose if you are mentioning that model number this one and company Daikin or whatever, Toshiba, okay, etc. So while you submit, then it will they will check that they are mentioning a specific company name, so it means they are linked with that company. This is the reason they provide the name and the model number, so it will be case of the corruption. So as a designer, no need to mention any companies, specific company names. Okay, you have to only select and design, okay, without mentioning any company name. Okay, so this is as experience I share with you all, so that you will be safe in future. And okay, apart from this, suppose you are working in a contractor companies, and in contractor they are responsible for selecting the model. Okay, so suppose after finalizing, client finalize that we are going to use like this company OG or Toshiba or York or Trend or whatever companies. So after finalizing, we have to select the model number on basis of this HAB data. So how we will do? We will do, let's, I tell you one. Okay, after that, just for knowledge, suppose this is I download from the internet the Daikin VRB and system. Here it is indoor. Okay, which we are going to select indoors, and see, this is all the models, indoor types, cassette, this is round floor cassette. Okay, inducted, this is ceiling suspended unit, split, this is type of indoor unit, and this is FCU like concealed ducted unit, and high static pressure concealed ducted unit. Okay, so in this space, this is office, this is not office, like a retail shop, so medium static pressure is enough. Let's, so we'll, this is overview of each indoor unit. Here the high static pressure, okay, BC, concealed ducted unit, this is high speed capacity up to 54 MBH. So this is their models, and this is a specification how to install. Like from the wall it should be 18 inch. Okay, how much in mm? 18 multiply 25, I think, yes, 450 at least. From the wall it should be 450, and from the ceiling, if ceiling is installed, then this A distance should be either 12 inch or 1 inch. 12 inch if one inspection, like 450, if you convert this one on the control box side, okay, and the space of this space or more under the unit, it means this space should be under the unit if space is available. And from the control side, this is a control side, it should be, this is control side, like here we can check, this is control side, the space here should be 450 like this. So this distance we can go for 12 inch. If not, then from the ceiling we can place only 1 inch. Okay, and the space should be between the wall and our unit, like more than 12 inch, like the distance from the the length of the this our unit, and plus 12 inch more. Okay, so we will see while placing, but this is a specific product installation guidelines. Okay, and here the medium static pressure, how much static pressure we can go, like 0.6 inch water gauge, it means 150 Pascal we can go. Okay, while installing this type of unit. Okay, so 150 is enough. We will go, we are going to select this one. So how, see, our total coil load here, our total coil load is 4.8. sensible is 3.9. okay, let's go. Which model? Here model name, this one, and this is capacity index. Here nominal capacity, okay, kilowatt, 1.7, 2.2, 2.8. Hour is 4.8. okay, so 4.5 is less, 5.6 is enough. Our capacity is 4.8, but in the Daikin company the model is available which capacity is 5.6, so it is enough more, so it is fine. 5.6, okay, first 5.6 it is clear, it means this model number is clear now. But before that one I have to also check air flow rate, high, medium, low. How much our air flow? 231. okay, here in this one is the CFM, like 600. okay, so 600 divide 2.11, I think it means 284. Our one is 231, so it is enough. So this model we can select, and also we can on the internet, on the website of Daikin library, we can download FXSQ, this one, copy, and we can download the Revit library, okay, Revit family of this model, and we can place directly inside our models. okay, like this we work. And also their height, width and weight. So height, width, depth we required while we are working in contractor company, because for the space we can place exactly as per the sites. So this height, width, depth also required. Here this model number, what is height? Like 9 inch 1/16, and for width is 39, and the depth is 31. So we can take this dimension and place our unit. And also this model library, BIM library, we can download from the Daikin BIM library and place inside our space. So this is the procedure while we are working on in contractor companies. okay, but apart from this I show you on the help of this catalog. If software is not available, if software is available, then you can select directly. okay, no need to check catalog. So both option is available if you are working in contractor side, and this is the procedure to select. okay, so here I'm going to install the ducted unit. okay, because the tiles is removable tiles 600 by 600, and we will place the air terminal diffuser, and it will distribute our air firmly through all areas. okay, if we will install here cassette unit, then air will not flow all the areas compared to the ducted unit. So this space is perfect for ducted unit. And here it is not, there is no any ceiling, so in this space we have to give the aesthetic look, beautiful look. okay, so we will place our here cassette rounded unit, and this one is the ceiling wooded type, and this is POP, like a gypsum or gypsum. okay, so about this ceiling I already explained before, so if you have not watched, then go and watch. okay, so here also ducted unit, and similarly here ducted unit, here cassette, and here ducted unit. okay, let's place and we will show how it looks. First I have to where is the mechanical equipment. I already load, so indoor unit ducted here. Okay, place anywhere. Okay, and from the wall it should be middle to look good. Okay, okay, and here make it equal. Constraint may not be created link to, oh I select I think something else. Okay, constraint may not be created to link instance. Okay, time and again I am selecting this one. Okay, I show you. So let me middle this one here, mechanical equipment. Okay, this is the middle of the our unit, and select. See, make it equal. This error message show the constraint may not be created. Okay, so remove constraint, and now you can check it is equal or no. Let me take the dimension again. This one from the wall, the middle of the unit, and here see 2450, 2450. So now it is equal. Fine. Now need to be this one. Okay, fine, and delete this one. So this is our unit, place in the middle of the room. Now let's check in 3D. Here, take this one, scope box. See, this one is the clearance of the unit. What means clearance? Clearance that we cannot install or pass anything except the HVAC system through this zone. Okay, so this is the reason we provide the clearance. Okay, now we can turn off this clearance visibility now, for now. Okay, here also I have to provide 450 as per the installation guideline. 950 is enough. So what I will do here, I will give this one 450. Okay, the distance is 450, not 1 meter. 1 meter is enough. Okay, this is enough. Let's check again. Okay, but from here it is very less. So again I will take the dimension from here to here, and it is 126 only. Okay, $450. Okay, enough. So first unit I place here. Now second one is similarly we can place here the cassette unit. Here it's not showing, so we'll place from the 3000. Okay, and place anywhere. Okay, this side, and because this is the cassette unit, we have to provide middle of the space, so take here, take and make it equal. Okay, remove constraint from here also, select the unit and okay, and make it okay, fine. Now our unit is in the middle of the space. Okay, also check that it is perfectly aligned or no. Okay, yes, and turn off the clearance for look better. Here, see, this is enough space to provide our support from here to slave. Okay, similarly here we will provide this ducted unit here, ducted all. Okay, so in next video I will show you that how it looks, and after that we will do the piping. Okay, so I hope you understand something from this video. If you learn, then subscribe and wait for next video. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.